How much time we got?
Mom's the best.
Yeah, what else is new?
Well, I've got a lovely bunch of coconuts.
You're a little bit out of frame.
I'm out of frame.
Got it.
I'm always out of frame.
You're out of order.
You're in order.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cookies, oh, thank you, Mama.
This is a little bigger, don't get mad.
I'm so pissed.
Alright, go ahead.
It's your birthday, goddammit.
Yes. I'm so overwhelmed. I don't know where to start. Let's do a glove.
Let me make sure this is good.
Is that where you be in, Mom? You're just gonna be a flipper?
Yeah, I'm gonna bake them. You guys could have cut them.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, and I'll roll them out for you.
That's good, because I'm not very good at rolling.
Like an Autobot?
Yeah, we're doing a
It's a conveyor belt.
conveyor belt, yeah.
Autobots roll out. Dun, 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 dun.
I had to explain to Bridget that you have to cut them in a sparingly way.
So you didn't have to roll it multiple times?
Yeah, that's what I
Because
explained
the
to
more you
her.
roll the dough, the
Less dough you get.
well,
It also compacts the
it
ingredients.
gets too much flour in it.
Yeah, I explained that to her. And she's like, wow, you know so much about cookie making. I said, yep.
Years of practice.
Oh man, let's see, where am I going to next? Oh, I love the angel one.
Okay.
Oh, make an angel, goddammit.
That was a
Look, it's like a shark, you see it?
It's my birthday weekend, you can't cuss at me like
I
that.
could do it. Heck, I won't, girl. It's rude. I never claimed to be nice.
I love so much. I'm sorry, I'm like 5. I'm never gonna grow up.
Good. Quit hogging the tree.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Cut it into opposite.
You're getting molested by the Pillsbury one.
Woohoo! And now he sounds like. Do you have snowflakes?
No.
I need a
mine.
snake.
Don't you touch my snowflakes. Don't. Look at this.
Yeah.
Boom. Perfect, right in there. Good old nutcracker.
I'm gonna nut and crackers. I don't know what that's already.
You got nothing but crackers. No Nutcracker November.
Well,
You didn't make any bells yet, right?
No bells.
no bell prize.
No bells.
No bells.
Heard you wouldn't.
Look how perfect that fits in there.
Okay, you know, you need to stop gloating right now.
I'm sorry. Look how great I am.
You make any gingerbread men
I
yet?
can't remember.
No, there's no difference in red bread.
I'm glad you're keeping track, Mama. Fudge. Man.
Wait,
Man down.
that was my time to shine and I ruined it. When you said fudge, because I was going to reenact the situation.
Oh, no, this is cookie dough.
I couldn't remember what I said. I was like, oh, I lost my chance.
Sorry
I'm fired.
for everyone at home. You missed the joke, but it's okay.
I'm fired again.
Can I fit anything else? Hand me the nutcracker.
I'm working on it.
Now. Oh, so close. So close.
Maybe the other way. Maybe you're spared.
Oh.
Probably not.
Well, if
Man.
I do this, never mind. Won't work.
I did it.
That's two things that won't work.
What was that off of?
SpongeBob.
Oh, yeah.
It's the halfway point. It's the waypoint noise.
I did 6 minutes. Let me do a couple more because they're not quite done yet.
6 minutes of paradise. We might have to switch to small boys now.
Bring in the little guys.
Come on, guys.
We forgot the snowman. He feels left out.
You can't stand. We don't accept. Just kidding.
That's 20 minutes. I don't like
Whoa, shit.
I like my cookies extra crispy. Look, I fixed it.
I like them dark. Make my hot chocolate. You said I was gonna say something else.
I didn't.
Oh. Surprise!
Thanks for the quality content.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I gave him artificial legs. We had the technology.
Lieutenant Dan!
Lieutenant Dan!
Lieutenant Dan! What are you doing here?
You want to do little ones here now on
Well,
this one? Or you want to wait till
everyone's
we
there.
got the big one. We got another whole big roll.
Oh,
of-
shoot those guys out of here.
That was just only half the cookie dough.
Get back to the bench.
Bench warmers.
Now I have a whole another half.
High five. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted to have. That's not like we will rock you for a second. Play that back.
We will rock you.
We.
Oh, rock.
Oh, Mom, I love you. Get out of my way.
I started with one of these. Okay, so these ones we have to keep covered, correct?
The icing, you don't want to let it dry out, yeah.
Okay. You steady. Oh.
That's like a weird bag, isn't it?
Alright.
I'm gonna snip the little tip. Just like a bar mitzvah.
Probably should have just gotten a pastry bag out of that kit.
Well, I didn't know you had such a thing, Mama.
Sorry.
Well, this is bougie icing.
Right.
Bougie.
Bougie, like.
Rich, expensive person.
Yeah, it's bougie icing. I need to know your recipe so we can, whenever I have friends come over, we're gonna make it.
Here's some candy canes.
I felt great about it. We've done the best.
Not many people have done the nutcrackers.
Just thought, oh,
I forgot we had those.
They're hard to dress. We have a bunch of snowmen we haven't even touched yet.
I forgot we had those too.
And I got like 7 billion stars.
Blue hat and blue stars.
Those are
number one on both top chart, country charts.
whatchamacallit boys. Gingerbread boys.
Gingerbread boys.
Oh, I love this song.
Too bad.
Remember whenever we were younger and we're in the car, I'm like, I love this song. Dale's like, okay. And he would change it on me. So then I started saying I hated the song. But then he'd still change it.
Oh, that's a good snowman right there.
Thank you.
I didn't see him. Like him. Oh, I like him.
Not the control buttons.
This guy's very meh. He's like, meh. He's very busy, as you can see.
I can see that.
I'm trying to pick up the smile. Blue gloves on and a little scarf. He's a.
Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? Oh.
Like luckily to have a bit on it, huh?
Yes.
On the guard, Jim.
Can I borrow the red, please?
Sure, but I'll switch off the yellow.
Okay.
This has been the best trade exchange in American history. Huge. He looks like, I don't know what he looks like. He looks like something I've seen before, like a cartoon character.
That's what I'm saying.
I almost thought about putting 2 snowmen right here, or 2 snowflakes right here, but I was like, that's probably not family approved.
Do whatever you want.
What do you think of her? Chandra 2.0 Christmas edition.
I like this guy. He has a lot of character.
Which one?
This one I'm making here.
He looks like
He's pissed.
Hitler.
Oh God, no. So angry. What the hell was that?
Please don't put that in here.
Oh no, that's going in.
I'm gonna knock more freaking crystals over.
Crystal.
Take the crystals away from her.
The crystal. Hitler came to ruin
Give me an
Christmas.
You're already here, Mom. Mr. Ginger.
He's really tight with the Muffin Man too.
He's really tight with the Muffin Man.
Yeah.
He's actually the Muffin Man's landlord.
Yeah, he got a lot of power.
Decorating. I thought you wanted me to put stuff.
Yeah, I'm trying. Here's Mr. Fatty Man.
What color do you want him to be?
Whatever color you desire, I'll figure something
Is
out.
that the pimp daddy?
Yeah.
Do you like him yellow, or do you like him blue, or do you want him green?
Let's make him green so we can make a Shrek gingerbread man.
Good idea. Hello?
It's you. This tells a story right here.
He's mad because he stepped in yellow snow.
I must return his son to him. There we go. Like father, like son. There we go. One final.
Why'd you put that there?
I didn't. Why isn't the red one with the red dress Chandra?
What?
The one with the red dress isn't Chandra.
I didn't think about it.
I like that red and green one.
Oh, it's intercepting.
I like the way that mitten turned out.
Which one?
Both.
The red one?
The red, the green, the red and the blue, I mean.
That one's pretty cool.
And the blue bow is nice, so that's me just tooting my own horn. Do you see what happened over here though?
What?
You don't see. There's a story here, alright?
Ah!
You got it?
I was like, ah!
Can you tell who done it?
It's him. He's got blood on his hands.
You did it. You solved the mystery. The Chris mystery. Alright.
I'm gonna start right.
We're gonna log it down here. Subscribe, become a key today, unlock future content, and we'll see you in whatever we do next. Bye, friends!
Bye! Oh, man. That was fun. All our cookies look awesome.